अरे सेम क्वेश्चंस राइट.
No.
Just
No
for the
question.
funny.
Just a general
We
discussion.
are live. We are live.
Yeah.
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. जब आप धन्यवाद देते हैं तो आपको धन्यवाद देने का और भी मौका मिलता है. ग्रेटिट्यूड इज अ विशियस सर्कल. हम जी रहे हैं तो कह पा रहे हैं. Your quality of life depends on to your quality of decision. Quality of decision depends on to आप किस स्टेज पे हो. To stay in a better state is what we are preaching. New me, एक better state पे रहो. State of mind, state of physiology, spirituality. जब हम वीक होते हैं तो किसी फैक्ट को हम प्रॉब्लम कहते हैं. जब हम बैलेंस होते हैं तो किसी फैक्ट को हम चैलेंज कहते हैं. लेकिन जब हम स्ट्रांग होते हैं तो हर फैक्ट को हम अपॉर्चुनिटी कहते हैं. हैव अ स्टेबल माइंड. यू हैव इनफिनिट पॉसिबिलिटीज. अनलॉक इट. हर चीज 2 बार क्रिएट होती है. एक बार आपके दिमाग में, दूसरी बार कंक्रीट लाइफ में. इन्वेंशन इज बिकॉज इमेजिनेशन है. इमेजिनेशन है किसी ने अपने दिमाग में कुछ लाया कि कोई लोग उस पर मेहनत करके उसे धरातल पे लाए. So it's all in mind. Have a strong mind. Work upon your mind. It's you who can do anything. If you have an infinite possibility in you. अपने आप पर काम कीजिए. New me, never ending, constant improvement in yourself. अपने कल से अपने आज को बेहतर बनाइए. अपने आज से अपने आने वाले कल में खुद को बेहतर बनाइए. New me for success and peace in 2021 initiative by Atmanirbhar Bharat on vocational and me Archana Singh from Miracle Rituals and with all collaborators. लोगों से अपील करते हैं कि वो बेहतर बने. 5000 से ज्यादा ईमेल मैसेजेस बता रही है कि लोग बेहतर बन रहे हैं. आपको बता दें, मोटिवेशनल स्पीच, ऑथर स्पीच, वीडियोस, मीडिया, एक्टिविटी ऑफ द डे जारी है. आज फिर ऐसे ही एक इमेजिनेशन को धरातल पे उतारा गया है. वी कॉल इट आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस सिमुलेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन माइंड. ह्यूमन माइंड जो करता है उसे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कैसे कर सकता है, उस पर पूरा काम करता है. एंड वी ऑल नो इनफिनिट पॉसिबिलिटीज है. इमेजिनेशन को बड़ा करें. पता नहीं कौन व्यूअर्स हमारे ही कुछ नया इन्वेंशन. हमारे साथ हैं डॉक्टर पी उमा महेश्वरी जी, जिनको हमारे सोमनाथ जी इंट्रोड्यूस भी करेंगे, क्वेश्चन भी करेंगे. सोमनाथ जी खुद एक आईटी प्रोफेशनल हैं. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस की कहीं छोट मुहिम में वो भी बहुत कारगर हैं. तो उनके बारे में बताते हुए, सोमनाथ जी एमबीए किए हैं आईटी फ्रॉम सिम्बायोसिस पुणे, सीएस फ्रॉम एमजीयू रोहता, एंटरप्राइज आर्किटेक्ट आईटी, सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विप्रो सीएसआर, स्लम एजुकेशन को हेल्प करने के लिए सीएससी सीएसआर, ब्लड डोनेशन एंड फिजिकल नेसेसिटीज, ऑल नेसेसिटीज इन फैक्ट को प्रोवाइड करने के लिए HCL CSR स्टूडेंट टॉक शो विद सोम आजकल बहुत ही चर्चित चल रही है. काफी फेमस हो रहे हैं, बहुत सारे पेजेस में दिख रहे हैं. पार्ट ऑफ यूर फाउंडेशन, कोर मेंबर ऑफ आत्मनिर्भर भारत ऑन वोकेशन. He is an active member of Adore India कोलकाता सेजुबे रोची बैंक. बहुत काम कर रहे हैं, लिस्ट बहुत लंबी है. तो सोमनाथ जी, the floor is yours. Please welcome our guest.
Dhanyavad Archana ji. Many thanks to few words about me. Thank you very much. And today, as you know, that Miracle Rituals, you know, your name actually, when I say Archana, it's already come Miracle. So I do not have to say something about you. You're already so much famous. So, okay. So today we have Dr. P. Uma Maheshwari. and she is our guest, as well as she's going to discuss about artificial intelligence. Before going and welcoming to ma'am, let me tell something about ma'am, the few words about her. Dr. P. Uma Maheshwari is a management professional with over a decade of experience in the Indian education industry. During her tenure with Confederation of Indian Industry, she has a vast consulting experience in designing, delivering education programs for engineering and management graduates. She is well exposed to the CSR environment in her experience as an innovation and incubation manager with a leading university in South India. She has closely worked with various Indian schools in designing and imparting courses in the areas of Internet of Things, IoT, robotics, and virtual reality, both physically and virtually. With around 10 years of teaching experience, she has taught more than 5,000 participants both in colleges and corporate. She was one among the listed trainers in the area of logistics for United Nations from India. She is also an AI, artificial intelligence person who is actively involved in training and pedagogical design. She is the operation head at Wisely Wise Private Limited. Welcome, ma'am, in the show of Miracle Rituals and ANV Vocations. You are on mute. Ma'am, you are on mute.
Thank you so much for that.
No problem. So, ma'am, it's really nice that means we are delighted that you are here. And before going to start something about you, I just want to know, like, till now, from your journey, from your professional life as well as CSR journey. So you can just brief about the viewers. They want to know about you.
About me, there's much bigger, I'm like other than what you said. I have been in education industry for a while, looking at all the skill gap where we can try to pull out, the training or specific skilling initiatives that to upskill the present generation to make them more employable and self-sustainable, as long as their career and future is concerned. So, in my journey, I've always thought about that, even in terms of looking at the management or looking at the technological part. It is always better that we should move towards making people more self-sustaining, because that's where the real power lies in. So we wanted to, all throughout my journey, I've worked towards various courses that can make people create something new. Even if you look at in this journey of in my tenure, in my profession as an operations head for Wisely Wise, Wisely Wise is a Singapore-based organization. But if you look at, we're providing artificial intelligence. But the difference that we make is we provide online courses to the students, but we are focusing on enabling the students to create something on their own. That is the real power. I believe in that, and we as a team believe in that. So that's the focus, and that's always has been there in my mind. And I'm so happy that I've associated with such an organization which has a similar wavelength. So and throughout my journey, I've seen, like, when you give right guidance to the students of younger age, right from their childhood, say from school, we can see their transformation so drastically happening across. When they come to colleges, they'll be more focused. So all we feel is, like, when from schooling itself, there should be a kind of guidance. They should get exposed to the recent trends. So this is something which Indian students has to be given with. So no child should be deprived with this right. That's what I feel. So
Super.
This is from
Super described. Super. Yeah, I agree. Totally agree. Teacher is someone who can build a youth's career. Either it's a good way or bad way. The first one is goes to teacher only. So it's really great. So
yeah, and that way I should appreciate all teachers, because all of them are putting forth their serious efforts in this pandemic situation via this online learning. It's shaping up very well. Yeah.
Super. They are following new me actually. So earlier
Correct.
they are legacy using systems. Now they are using online. So they really changed themselves. So, like you said, artificial intelligence, like you are working for Wisely Wise organization. So, like my first question, I can say and discuss about you, like how AI is different from the human intelligence, like how it's different.
I would say, like, human intelligence is something you're given with. You are already, we all have some intelligence, but you have a double role here, wherein you are trying to make a system or a machine intelligent, because you are giving that brain to that system. It's not you, it's not like you, it has not been given with a brain. So the difference is like you become a creator here. You can take pride in telling like you have created something, and so you go to a different level, no? It's just on the lighter side. But actually, to look at artificial intelligence is something that man has created for his well-being. For example, to make down or ease down most of the toughest jobs, you can always rely on machines, right? That's how the evolution has happened. You can see this industrial revolution. We all know that industrial revolution theory and all, say first industrial revolution, second and third. So when we got other phase by phase transition happening, we can see that sort of the difficulty in understanding what is this transition all about has always been there in all the industrial revolutions. So even to the previous one, where we were moving towards this automation, when the computer systems were first introduced, we had this little hesitation of how it is going to be, what it is going to take from us. Are we going to be useless or what? What if the machines are becoming more powerful than us? But all these, dilemmas were there in human minds. But then it all has now got shattered into pieces. Now we are all using all technological paths. And in the same way, if you look at artificial intelligence, it is like another step towards the improvisation. I would say like we are creating something, we are giving brain to the machines that we have created in the third generation. So the systems which has got introduced to us in the third industrial revolution has got now we are creating brains, we are creating eyes for it. We are coming up with all sort of languages called machine learning, computer vision and everything. These are all created by man. And you can see the beauty here lies is like you can limit to whatever extent you want. It's not like us,
Okay.
the unlimited intelligence. No, the machine's intelligence has a cap. You can limit to that extent, and you can always make it so high if you want to make it, and you wanted to make it as simple as that. You still have that option of making it as simple as that. So how it is applicable for you, you can customize and make it. So that is the difference between human intelligence and artificial intelligence. That's something I would like to add on.
Super. So, like in COVID-19, means any talk nowadays without COVID is not completed, I believe.
Correct.
Right? So, COVID-19 here, just want to be like, I want to be know, or my viewers want to be know that how artificial intelligence play their role in COVID-19, how it's much, expressive for them.
Okay. If you look at, there are various industries in which we are having this artificial intelligence marking its excellence in terms of, the impact or the creation of outcome that is intended to create. So there is mark in COVID-19 phase also. You can see this. I would like to quote a very basic example of healthcare initiative. You can look at a lot of places. The sanitation works were taken out very seriously because of this COVID and corona. So it's a lot of governments, a lot of district, administrative offices, they all started sanitizing with human efforts. It has a limitation. Man or a human being getting on floor to sanitize the environment. It's quite we are talking about safeguarding ourselves. On the other end, we are exposing a human being towards sanitation of saving others. So there is one initiative which came up with the help of this UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, which is again which had a machine learning part added to it, which captured the geographical location, and it did all the sanitation. I mean, all the precautionary measures were taken with the help of UAV. That is one predominant use case I would like to quote here, because and also if you look at the primary healthcare sector, now people have started using, in other countries they've started using drones, I mean UAVs for giving emergency medical kits. They're giving medical assistance to the patients, because their doctors or any people, any medical professional can reach out. This would have not been possible without artificial intelligence in place, right? So collaborating two technology, one is like UAV, where unmanned aerial vehicle has its own, benefits and advantages of like non human interaction, much of non-human interaction. At the same time, you also have AI being a part of it, where you exactly pinpointedly give something, the benefits are being properly delivered. So this is one example which I would like to quote. So likewise, you can also say, like on the lighter side, I can say, like in education, the exams are being conducted, and all these examination portals have this AI interface added to it. No pupil movement, no head movement, then the system will shut down. See, though the students
Correct.
hate it, we have to accept that it is one quality emphasizing point amidst of this pandemic situation, where there is physical invigilation is not there. This is one technology that has helped assessing the students' technical abilities or capabilities to the right extent possible. So these two, and on the very light side, I would say all of us have been using this Netflix and all these Amazon Prime videos, and all have this machine learning incorporated, because first time when you search for something, next time it is giving you suggestions of the same genre. So you can see
Correct.
that your preferences are being marked up. Yes.
So
So these
as
are
an advisor, we can say as an advisor, they are working for us. Anything we can
correct.
be.
Right from the lighter side to serious side, we have AI being part of our life throughout this pandemic, and that has
Correct.
been so very clearly witnessed during this pandemic, I would say,
Totally aligned with you.
than the
Totally
normal
aligned with
days.
you. Yep, yep. So, like, we can say that, it's saving our humans' life also, AI nowadays, and in this pandemic situations. So, like, when we talk about the future of AI, so what is the roadmap, and what is we have the opportunities in India? First, I will talk about India. So, where we stand. If you talk about the Indian youth and the professionals, we already in the industry. So, where we stand in the AI domain?
I would say India is still it has got a long way to go in AI, because if whatever examples I've quoted has been so prominently seen in other countries, whereas in India we can see this happening here or there, one or two places. But there are a lot of scope wherein today's youth can have a part. They can come up with their own better ideas to improvise the situation, and always make this happen in a better way. When compared to the other places, because India is geographically completely different from other countries. So with having those and having things like that in mind, if somebody is coming up with his or her idea of what to be done for the benefit of the, say, social benefit, or the tier 3, tier 4 towns, how we can reach out to them in the medical emergency part or whatever it is. I'm just trying to quote the same examples which I quoted earlier, because these are not available in India as of now. So we can't really go towards it in a higher momentum, because it's needed now. So the students can have there AI is not so tough. We always, in Wisely Wise, if you look at my organization, we always believe in there is no specific qualification that is required to be an AI expert. So you can start your journey wherever you are, at whatever age you are. We have courses, we have training, we have online programs for all age groups. What we feel, or what AI is like, not about coding, not just about designing or what or something. Those are completely different. You are, as I told you, trying to give a brain to a system. So this has to happen in step by step process. So we don't just believe in just giving one course, and one person, if he gets trained in artificial intelligence for say around 20 hours or 25 hours, he'll become an artificial intelligence expert. No, the students really have to go through series of programs, series of training, series of they have to really enrich themselves with a lot of stuffs. But it's not so tough. All you need is the focus. All you have to give some time, the focus. We have seen this change happening in several students of ours, and our alumni students have already done it. For example, we have trained a girl, and she has come up with a chat bot. This chat
Okay.
bot is for her age, she's only 15 years old. You can imagine how she has
Oh,
thought. She has come up with a chat bot which is helping patients to fight against monophobia, a depression.
okay.
So the importance of the chatbot now, right? There are also
Correct,
similar
correct,
innovations happening on the suicide chat, because people, though youth get Archana will have a better idea on this, because she might have
correct.
got exposed to this situation. much ahead of like much in a much detailed way. So suicide chatbots are being created by the kids. So now you can imagine, where we are moving towards in artificial intelligence. This momentum has to be even more increased in India. So there are ways, there are a lot of career opportunities, right from an architect, analyst level to architect, engineers. Guys can start thinking much bigger, and the scope is not limited for them.
Super, super. So I would say, like you said, that anyone from any age can try for AI in your company. So I think for Miracle Rituals viewers, they can going to catch you for the AI,
Yeah, yeah.
hopefully,
Yes,
on
yes,
the
yes.
later side. Okay, I have just while talking, I just think one more word. Like I remember when in 90s when computer started in India, so people's talking like computer is coming, so we will lost our job. The whoever doing the physical activity. So is it the same case here? Like AI is coming, so we are going to lose our job? How it is?
So I would say that seriously, this fear was there. This doubt was there among a lot of I would say like lot of government organizations where the computer came into the first time. So
Yeah,
are we not still going to government organizations? Are we not paying our taxes?
we are going. Yes.
Are we not
So what
booking
about
our train tickets? Yeah, we are
so?
doing. But the point is, we are trying to make it more comfortable. Correct? Yes, Mr. Som, you were trying to tell something. Yeah, please.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, I'm agree, I'm aligned with you. So like even though
Yeah.
when we computer in India, we have lots of opportunities in fields of outsourcing, in
Correct.
fields of BPOs, CPOs, IT services. We have lots of opportunities. But like
And this is
if you talk,
AI is going to come up with something which will take out redundancies in the job. Probably you can think of a job like say for example that is so monotonous. For example,
yeah,
say sealing. Say this is a common job in all places. Just putting a chapa. So if that is
correct.
being done by a machine, it's going to save
Lots of things, the monotonous
somebody's
work in
pain here,
industry.
right?
Agree,
It's
totally
going to
agree.
save somebody's pain in this area, right? That is the sophistication that AI will bring in. It is not just something is going to be taken away. And also you can think of the sewage disposal jobs are like really, if you look at the way they get inside the drainages and clean this out, you think it is a human activity. I don't think there is nothing called humanity in this, right? So these are the areas wherein we can have AI being potentially adding value, because we can make these cleaning jobs and all these sewage cleaning, all the other life threatening jobs, we can make it happen via this AI interventions. So this
Correct.
this is the power of AI. Than looking at on the negative side, we can always see the positive ends of AI.
Okay, super. I
I would
believe
like to
we
add
let,
here, Somnath. I would like to add here.
yeah,
Yeah.
please.
You cannot have a competition with somebody whom you have actually reproduced or produced or made, because this is something only a part. Like
Okay.
from a ocean, you have taken out some pail of water. You cannot compete with that. The human possibilities are huge. Once this regular work is given to somebody else, I think they will have more time to find a totally different dimensions of themselves, because then they will have time for
Correct.
imagination, and God knows what they may create. So
Super.
I
Correct.
think that
They have
there
better time
are more
to think
possibilities.
creatively on the other side. Yes.
Yeah, because computer itself is giving a job to so many people. There are
Yeah,
people who are making hardware, there are people who are making software, there are more people, they're getting more job into this. So maybe artificial intelligence is going to give a more job instead of taking away the job. Yeah, it's going to take away some jobs that have been in routine, but I think that would give more time to people to look at a different dimensions of themselves, and they can become a better. But
I
and
I agree with both of you. I just want some few lines like people's we have the job. The only point like we have to upgrade our skills. Like whoever doing the basic
Correct.
stuff, they need to correct and means they have to enhance their skills. Once they enhance their skills, then move to the
Correct.
AI. Then they can grab the opportunities. But the guy who is not going to enhance their skills, for him it's a threat. But who is going to be ready as per the industry, for him it's an opportunity. So we can say in the one line.
Correct.
That's what
Correct.
Okay.
Newman is talking
So it's
about.
always,
It's
that's why there
improving.
is a specific, yeah, sorry. That's why there is a specific importance that is shown by the government in the space of artificial intelligence, because the reports are very clear. Even if you look at the worldwide employment report, career report, all the reports, if you look at AI has topped up. So the most promising the fields that that students can now aspire for has become AI. So what can be better than this?
Super. Okay, I think Archana, you can ask few questions along with new me. That would be great if you.
Okay. Uh, New me, artificial intelligence, human intelligence. What a concept, isn't it?
Yes.
So,
Yeah, correct.
uh, how far do you think taking child away from nature and giving him artificial intelligence at early age, as you have said that it's 15-year girls is making, and you have a younger age also. So is it compatible for all age? What is the age that should be starting off? There's so many myths like you should not give too young. So I just wanted to know about it so that our viewers can have more details, because I get a lot of questions. Should we give more of such systems, such scientific thing to a child, or ask them to play outside, be with nature? So I want to know the balance there from you, ma'am.
All right. All right. See, the training or whatever artificial intelligence exposure that we give to the kids is just like exposing them to playground. So we will not leave a child to play for more than 6 hours or 4 hours or 3 hours. We'll just make them play for a half an hour or 20 minutes. So that is enough from a kid's perspective to spend time with our platform. So for example, if I'm giving a course, so Wisely Wise is giving a course, online course. So a kid can spend minimum of 15 to 20 minutes a day, just sit, view, and just think of what it can do. It's just an activity that we are trying to pull in. It's not like core coding that we are going to give the kid. The kid is not going to sit in front of the system and code, and immediately it's going to come up with a bot. It has to happen in phases. The age has to cope up, the mindset has to cope up with that. So we're just trying to expose the kid with available technology. We're just aligning the kid's thought process to happen in that way. That's it. So we insist in telling the kids, like we insist the kids and their parents, especially we talk to a lot of parents, because if I deal with younger age children, it's always better to talk to their parents. So we believe in Wisely Wise that parents are our primary stakeholders, because they are the people who has to actually bring in that culture among the kids. So we'll always interact with the parents, telling like, you can give, weekly timing you can give for this particular for initiative is like weekly you can spend around 3 hours. That's quite doable for any kid, just 20 minutes or 25 minutes. 20 minutes it can listen to a lesson. The next 10 minutes there will be game. It may be like a snake ladder engagement quiz activity, which the kid will be very much enjoying, and the kid will enjoy being a part of the learning system. So that is the kind of the learning method we bring in. It's not like they're kids too much exposed to the computers. They sit in front of the computer. They are coding hardcore 5 tasks. Nobody would agree. Even I have a kid who is 9 years old, and I cannot afford to have my kid go that way, right? So we all are empathetic on that point.
The thing is that when we give mobile or lappy to a child, and if they don't feel like attending class and all, like we have to give that also, that we trust you. Every time sitting on their head, make them believe that parents doesn't trust us, and that makes a wrong impact on the growth of a child. So sometimes we have to make them believe we trust you. We give them mobile, we give them lappy to have their education, and we go away. And I have this maximum complaint from my parents that they start playing, miss their classes, don't give the exam. There are so many people who have engaged in coding, and they have already paid so much, and child when gets the coding class, somewhere says there's an error, and they are doing something else. So,
Actually,
how,
we don't give the coding sessions to the students. Coding sessions are given only for the age group, specific age group, because we believe in age appropriate courses. For example, for a small kid, say around the third standard kid is coming to us, we'll always teach them the basics and we'll give them fun games. That game will be like just Angry Bird game, which would like just go up and come down. The kid will enjoy. I am not asking a third standard kid to come and code. These even up to sixth standard or seventh standard, we believe only in the block programming. They just drag and put something. So the block programming is the basic, and beyond that, if you move ahead, we introduce the programming languages as a step by step process. So once if the age group of around 16 or 15, probably they'll get to know about the coding concepts. So
what's
there
the
is no way
minimum
that
age a child can join and should?
it's like 10, 9, 9, 9 above.
9 and above.
Yeah.
Okay. And how is this artificial intelligence learning leads to a holistic development of a child?
Yeah, this actually whatever the course curriculum that is being built over this artificial intelligence, and this is more like we have to structure them properly. So we have to align them with with their subjects. So that's how they can make that as a part of their living. For example, science and maths, the kids assimilate much better than me giving for example, a course like a coding course. Even at the pretty bigger age, for example 15 years or 16 years, kids find them more comfortable with science and maths than getting aligned with other subjects. So we always have to align a new technology subject also as a part of their coding, as a part of their learning process. So what happens is like along with the science, maths, language system, we also have to give this artificial intelligence. So it helps students to improve their cognitive skills. So it's a proven thing, and we have developed a curriculum in alignment with we have worked with the professors, and across worldwide we have worked with professors, and across, I would say like our courses are all of international standards. We have children coming from US, coming from UK. The same curriculum is what we are offering for all the kids. So it's not like we are demarking between countries and countries. We have only single curriculum, which is universally accepted, and it is up to international standards. And that is being offered to a kid that is in who is in tier 3 part of India. So now you can think of the opportunity that is coming up. The kid is getting exposed to the world much better than or much equivalent to the way as a city kid is getting exposed to.
Dinat
Is that
Wahid
not
is asking,
equal opportunity?
yeah, Dinat Wahid ji is asking what is the highest age, maximum age for joining it?
I even like we don't have an age cap for maximum. You can join at any age. Still, you would
Just
be
in a
able to
month.
pick up, because if a 9-year kid can learn AI, even a 60-year-old person can learn AI.
I feel no upper limits in terms of age. Even I knew that, but I wanted ma'am to answer since it's a question from the viewer. They would
Yes,
be
Correct.
yes,
happy. Ma'am has given an answer. We have a
yeah,
person sitting with us.
Yes.
How far do you
correct.
think personal growth is reflected in the professional growth of a person?
I'm sorry, I didn't get your question. Can you
How
just repeat?
far your professional growth is because of your personal growth?
Uh, it has a huge part. I would say, like being a woman, I have felt it every time. When you go professionally, you become confident. The more you become confident, then you are strong in taking decisions. You're strong in facing society, facing all sort of uh, ups and downs in life. You know what to give to your child better than anybody else, because you are facing the world even in a bigger scale. So I would say like professional growth has a huge role in defining one's personal growth.
And personal growth to professional growth?
Yeah, there are character implications, how you grow your skills. That also every time when the learning happens, that gets reflected in your the way you deal with your customers, the way you deal with your pretty known peers. So the maturity in your thinking process, the way you assimilate your whatever you call as the characterial changes, that gets reflected in the way you deal with your own stakeholders in the organization. So it is like vice versa, give and take policy.
So
The more personal growth, the more professional growth. More professional growth leads to
Both
more
the most,
personal growth.
yeah.
So, Soma ji
yes,
was
yes,
asking something.
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
both are
very much.
interconnected. Both are interconnected.
Correct.
Vicious
Correct.
circle.
So, ma'am, I want to know, like you said that it's a huge impact on your life. So, what the one activity you are doing on daily basis? Can you tell us as a personal note, like which activity you are doing on daily basis?
Activity would like to activity means I really
That
What
impacts
you
your
nowadays.
life, like either like meditation or some yoga or something like which impact on your life. Are you
No,
doing anything or
I do
no?
yeah, I do meditation. I do meditation in the morning, and that gets reflected in the way I be patient with my customers, patient with my own my son who is 9 years old. You can think of all sort of naughtiness. No, that's getting reflected in my personal as well as professional life. That's what I would like to highlight here. Be practicing patience, because when you do something with that mentality, it will give impact both professionally and personally. So
Okay.
patience, meditation,
Okay.
and patience.
Okay. So, like, if I'm going to ask you, like, for our youth, okay, what's your advice? What the advice you want to give to our youth?
I would say, like, being assertive makes you a step ahead of others. Assertive. It's not like
Okay.
reactive. Always got to be proactive. Very, you got to put forth that step, even in the front of skilling or in the front of home affair. For example, there is a saying in Bible. I believe in this saying. Say, like, if it is love, let that be you first. So show that love first. You can show that love first from your end. So that is the kind of policy I believe in. Always, it has to start from one you. So be the first mover. So
Okay.
rest of the things will happen.
The same thing, like what the new me have the concept. Like you have to change daily, something you have to do better from one day to another day. Perfectly.
Yeah.
So, yeah, Archana, do
So
you want to
even in
ask
terms of,
something?
I would say, like, in terms of career, this students, the younger generation now has to be very assertive in understanding the new technologies, whatever that is coming up in the market. Just get aligned with all the changes, because that's going to help them, in ages. For ages together. So they're going to have a prospective career if they're assimilating the changes that are happening around. If they're reluctant to change, then your growth stops there. So that is one thing which I wanted to highlight. And we I always believe in this learning with the happiness. So I now, if somebody is like, so I want all of the younger generation to aspire towards this artificial intelligence, because now at this age I'm learning, and it's very much easier for the younger generation to do it. uh, if that's the case, then anybody can touch with us for the career guidance.
ma'am?
So I would say, like, towards, you can.
Actually, we lost few words due to the
Yeah.
network. But I think, like you said, in this is age you are learning. So you are declaring your age on the face of Facebook. So as a woman, generally
Okay,
they are
no
not
problem.
going to tell the
I
age.
cannot
On
claim
a lighter
myself
note,
as a younger person, right?
on lighter note.
So
So generally,
please
women
go
are going
ahead
to be
and
hide
write
their
us.
age.
Uh, uh, yeah, you can write to
How
us
are
for
you
any related queries on
incorporating
artificial
AI in the
intelligence.
curriculum?
So like our team, ANB team,
Our institution, in the sense,
some network is looks like
our
network.
institutions in the sense, like,
Ma'am, network is unstable, it seems.
Like yeah, we
As long as she doesn't get a stable thing, we can just elaborate what she said. She said that you need to empower yourself. If it is love, you have to fill in yourself. We also talk about same. We say people पहले अपने आप को भरो. आप में जो होगा आप वही दोगे. अगर आप गुस्सा दे रहे हो तो आपने गुस्सा भरा है. आपके पास प्यार है तो आपने प्यार दे पाओगे. अगर आप वैल्यूबल हो तो किसी और को वैल्यूएबल बना पाओगे. So it all starts from you, as ma'am was saying. I think ma'am is back. Ma'am, are you back? Hello,
Yes.
ma'am, are you back?
Can you hear us?
Ma'am, your thing is unstable.
Yeah, still, I believe we can. We almost done, I believe. So, Archana, let's take your phone.
Ma'am, are you there? We cannot hear, ma'am. We are not able to connect. The technology has its own limitation, but you don't have any limitation. As a human being, you don't have any limitation. You broaden your imagination, you broaden yourself, take your possibilities, you have infinite possibilities. आज जो भी यूज कर रहे हो, हर एक मशीन को हम इतना अच्छा बताते हैं, लेकिन वो कहाँ से निकला? यहाँ से. तो अगर आप बेहतर बनते हैं तो आप बहुत कुछ बेहतर बनाते हैं, दुनिया में बहुत कुछ ला सकते हैं. अपने ऊपर काम कीजिए. न्यू मी टॉक्स अबाउट इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑन योरसेल्फ. कंपेयर योरसेल्फ व्हाट यू वर यस्टरडे, व्हाट यू आर टुडे एंड व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू बी टुमारो. आज तय कीजिए ऐसा क्या करेंगे जिससे कि आप कल बेहतर बनेंगे. आप ऐसा क्या सीखेंगे जिससे कि आप कल कुछ बेहतर जिंदगी को दे सकते हैं, अपनी जिंदगी का सेल्फ वर्थ इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं. So work upon yourself, work upon your physiology, work on your psychology, work on your every dimension, so that limitless possibilities are here. Artificial intelligence का जन्म किसी के दिमाग में हुआ है, आपके पास भी वही दिमाग है. Everybody has the same thing. किसी का दिमाग अलग नहीं है. In fact, the absolute consciousness talk about one mind. There is no two mind as such. And when we breathe in and breathe out, वो जो atoms, pranas आते हैं और जाते हैं, that carries the same thing that is being taken by the most intelligent person of the earth right now. So you have all the possibilities, you have all the worth, you have everything in you. Just be the new you. Ma'am, are you back? Can we hear you? Okay, we are. I don't think we are audible. Ma'am is not audible. So Somnath ji, we can have the ending. Yeah, we can close up.
Superb. So, thanks to our Dr. P. Uma Maheshwari, we have discussed a lot of things, what the future is for AI. And she also mentioned that any age can try for this artificial intelligence. It's a future, it's a good scope. We have lots of opportunities in India, especially. So, try to learn and try to, if you have something, contact to ma'am. And we are happy to hear. Thank you. Now we can meet you next time with some more guests with new technology or something new.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for being there. We are highly, highly obliged. You are here and you have
Thank
enriched
you.
our program.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
So IT team, it's request
To close it,